Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest tech products. Today, we have something that's going to turbocharge your PC's performance. It's the G.SKILL Ripjaws V-Series DDR4 RAM. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our tech reviews.
Alright, folks, let's jump right into it.
The G.SKILL Ripjaws V-Series is a high-performance DDR4 RAM memory kit designed to elevate your PC experience to a whole new level. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or power user, this RAM kit has you covered.
First, let's talk specs.
This kit is an absolute powerhouse, featuring a massive 64GB capacity, perfect for handling demanding tasks like gaming, video editing, rendering, and more. It's not just about capacity, though. This kit rocks a speedy DDR4 3600 memory speed, ensuring that data processing and multitasking are buttery smooth. And here's the kicker. It's designed to work seamlessly with both AMD and Intel platforms. Whether you're rocking an AMD Ryzen X570 series or the latest Intel Z490, Z590, or Z690 motherboards, this RAM kit is ready to unleash its full potential. Now, let's talk overclocking. Thanks to XMP 2.0 support, you can easily tap into the full power of this memory kit. Just enable the XMP profile in your BIOS settings, and you'll be soaring at the rated overclock speed. Of course, remember that the maximum memory speed and system stability depend on your motherboard and CPU capabilities. G.SKILL takes quality seriously. The Ripjaws vs DDR4 memory series undergoes rigorous testing to ensure outstanding performance and reliability.
You can trust that you're getting top-notch RAM for your PC. Now, a practical detail that many overlook, the module height.
These Ripjaws V modules have a 42mm height. Why does that matter? Well, if you're using a large CPU cooler, this RAM won't get in the way. It's designed to ensure compatibility and hassle-free installation. There you have it, tech aficionados. The G.SKILL Ripjaws V-Series DDR4 RAM, a memory kit that combines performance, reliability, and versatility. Whether you're building a new PC or upgrading your existing one, this RAM kit should definitely be on your radar. Check out the link in the description for more details and availability. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews right here on Product Critique. Until next time, stay tech savvy and keep those PCs running at peak performance.